Had a really fun time, I think, organizing this, and we hope that you enjoy it. I'm excited to introduce the 6th Machine Learning for Structural Biology workup, and maybe tell the story about why we're actually in this theater and not in Europe's. So every year, Europe's workshops, you submit an application, and so it's a proposal about what you're going to do, who you're going to bring as speakers, the organizing team, and what is the reason for doing this workshop and why it's relevant to the machine learning and broader community. And so every year we've applied, and so this was the 6th year for us applying, and then we got rejected. And so we were really confused why we'd get rejected because, well, as all of you know and probably are the reason why you're sitting here, machine learning has really transformed the way that we do structural biology, drug discovery, sustainability, and any effort really in the biological, biochemistry, biophysics sphere. And so I sent an email because I'm nosy, and I wanted to find out why we were rejected. And then so they said, there will be 3 workshops broadly related to structural biology at NeurIPS. Biosecurity safeguards for generative AI. Imageomics, discovering biological knowledge from images using AI. AI virtual cells and instruments, a new era in drug discovery and development. And so we thought really hard and said, that's not the same thing as structural biology. And we let them know, we sent them an email, and we're like, that's not structural biology. It's not even biochemistry. Well, kind of, because you can use all these tools, and so there is a really nice way to bring all of this information together to make advancements for what we're gonna wanna do in the future. And so I think we'll hear about that today. And so we got together and said, we'll make a new independent MLSB. And so that's this one. And so we're really excited. We wanted to make it as free and accessible and open as possible. And so there's a Zoom link happening. There's a Zoom for everyone to Zoom in from wherever they are around the world. It's free, as all of you are aware, and are aware of the Luma registration count going up really, really fast. And then also we have an MLSB happening in Copenhagen at exactly the same time. And so we had a co-organizing committee get together for a Copenhagen edition at Europe's, and also we did our best to make it as free and open as possible. And so that was sponsored by Adaptive and Cradle, and we have a wonderful organizing team that saw great success as there's a large time difference. So with that, we're really excited to have a wonder set of speakers. Hannah Wayman-Steele, the CASP organizers, Ellen Zong, Pratush Tiwari, Mile Sikik, Bruno Correa, and Michael Pierre. And we also have a great set of contributed talks and a panel discussion happening. These are organizers. We're all around and about, and so if you have questions, please feel free to come and ask us. I'm Gina. I guess I didn't say that at the beginning, but I'd probably be the one who's sending all of you emails over the last few days. This is the schedule. So we'll have talks, a break, more talks, a poster session. And so those giving posters, you're welcome to present at either poster session, the first one or the second one, or even both of them, up to you. More talks, a break, more talks, a break, and then an awesome panel discussion where we'll also take some of your own questions for all of the speakers if you didn't have time to say them. We have a lunch. We did our best to get as many lunches as possible and also make it free, so please allow the people who are presenting to first get a lunch, and then whatever's left, first come, first serve. If not, there's also a lot of restaurants around, and they're all within walking distance. There's a Starbucks and a couple coffee shops. We weren't able to manage to get coffee catering, but we do have some snacks throughout the day. So we did our best, and I hope that we can all make do with what we got. We have awesome sponsors. Like, this was not an easy feat to do for free, and so we have 9 amazing sponsors, and there are representatives from all of these companies here to speak with you, and we're really excited that they were willing to endorse this workshop this year. And then with that, I think I will give it to Michael, who will be our first speaker.